Hey everyone, Nicole here, this time covering for Azrael's Maryland, and today nandito tayo sa Yaber launch wherein they're launching their entertainment projectors, and most of their projectors actually have JBL speakers with them, and they are quite the quality kasi most of their projectors have JBL speakers on them, and yung isa nga meron pang subwoofer. So we'll tour you around the whole space and I'll show you kung anong meron ngayon. This one is the Premier Theater K3. It's 1080p. It has efficient cooling. Ang pinaka nakakatuwa dito is that it has built-in 15 watts JBL stereo speakers with Dolby Audio. And if you're gonna do a K3 Pro, it also has a JBL subwoofer. So, if you wanna see kung gaano siyang kaganda, like the lumens, oh my gosh. Kahit na may ilaw na yan. But it's still very clear. This is the subwoofer that comes with the K3 Pro. So, ayan, it adds this one adds more dimension to your entertainment. Okay, so we are in an outdoor setting, and this is the Yaber or Yaber? Yaber. Okay, this is the Yaber Anywhere Cinema T2 Plus. It has built-in battery na pwede ka manood ng movies for at least around 2.5 hours, and you could do music since it is JBL. You could do music for like around 18 hours with this thing. It has 450 ANSI lumens, and it shows up 1080p FHD. Like, ano pa pwede mong hingin sa projector? May JBL na high-end na yung datingan ng sound tapos sabay. And if you'll notice, it has this thing pang-adjust ng angle mo or pang-hawak mo later on, like that. Pag bit-bit mo na siya. O, diba? Okay, the fun thing about this one is this is their GTV model. So, it has built-in Google TV. Like, you could use it for YouTube, Netflix, Prime, Amazon, anything else that you could think of kung saan ka manonood. Now, this one is the Yaber Laser Projector K300S. This is actually perfect for a home cinematic setup. The sound is still powered by JBL, as you can see, and so anyway, this is the Laser Projector K300S. It's so small. Like, ayan lang siya. It's powered by JBL, yung sound niya. And would you believe that this thing has 1000 ASNI lumens. So, sobrang bright niya. Even if it's like may ilaw, you could still see. Even if may ilaw, you could still see. So, this is how it works. If you can see, this is where it projects out. It's 1080p, full HD. There you go. Okay, this one is the projector T1 Pro from Yaeber. Currently not yet on sale, pero it's gonna be on sale soon. So, I'm giving you guys a quick tour. Quick demo nito. Ito yung tipo ng projector na masayang ilagay sa kwarto. Kasi, pwede siyang, the usual na lineup na paganyan, na horizontal. Or you could have this thing project up to your ceiling so that while you're watching, you could watch while you're... And you could have this thing project up to your ceiling para pwede ka manood habang nakahiga without any back pain, leg pain, whatsoever. O, diba? Anyway, this thing is also powered by JBL. Yung sound nila, grabe. Lahat ng Yaeber so far na na-testing ko, solid yung sound nila. This currently has 700 ASNI lumens, and it also shows up 1080p full HD for your videos. Here is that it's the fun part here is that it's rotatable. May stand siya na sarili, so I swear it's perfect for bedrooms. Now, if you're looking for something a little more small, a little more compact, this is the Home Cinema Projector L2 Plus. I swear, like, ayan siya. It's that small. Pero, yung kaya niya ibigay na lumens is quite... So, this is the
projector T2 Plus. This is basically the outdoor projector namin with Yaeber. So, as you can see here, it has a built-in battery. Hindi siya nakasaksak. So, as it is at video and music, 2.5 hours max ang kaya niya ibigay sa atin. Now, for music naman na option is up to 18 hours.
180?
18, yes. For music. So, given the Yaeber has JBL built-in speakers, so may option tayo, videos or music.